Wealth building in 2026, we're looking at where financial freedom is built. Now you've got to go and look at Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the most famous book when it comes to wealth building. Understand that the mindset that you have is going to be a telltale on how you build financial freedom. At a high level, there's two ways you build wealth. There's return on capital, which is return on your money, and return on effort. Now, if you don't have much money to begin with, then you're going to be looking at return on your skills, your time, and return on any businesses. If you want to increase your return on your effort, it's time to look at how to upskill, and time to sell yourself on your results instead of your time, and to build equity through leverage in your business activities. Because if you don't have money to invest, this is your area of focus in the beginning. Once you start to get a few runs on the board, maybe $10,000, $100,000, you can start looking at return on capital. This is when you buy property, shares, commodities, crypto, things that have the ability outside yourself to make money for you. Money makes money is that old adage. If you don't have money to make money from, it's going to be hard to use other people's money because you won't have that same credibility. So understand that getting to the first 100,000 of savings is definitely the hardest. And as you build up your deposit for investments, you can start looking to borrow money. So when you get started in your financial freedom journey, most of your $1 to your name or there or thereabouts, most of your focus is going to be on getting return on your time through your effort, your skills. And then as you get more savings, you'll start applying yourself to get return on capital. And as your asset base grows, more access to money is less about return on your time and more about return on your capital. So having this in your mind will help you think long term. And if you're stuck at the beginning of your journey, you have to think, increase my income, sell my time based on results, and find ways to leverage, grow your contracting business, grow your own business. Don't worry about the assets, get your income base up. And when your income goes up, your rate of savings will go up and you'll be able to buy assets later.